two more things you need to know with statistics, like finding out that data, whether it's from tables or graphs or just a random set of numbers. This one is median. It's another way to find the average. Median is a lot like this word, medium, right? So the way I think of median is it's in the middle. It's a number right in the middle. Medium to me is right in the middle because you have small, medium, large. We're going to ignore it. Well, you could put that in a extra small, extra large. Medium's still in the middle because it's extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. Anyway, so the medium is the number in the middle. I'll give you an example. So on here I have my siblings' ages, right? So I have 29, I have 33, and I have 32. Obviously, they aren't in order from least to greatest. What you have to do with median is you always have to put them in order from least to greatest. So my least is 29, then it's 32, then it's 33. So my median number here would be 32, because 32 is in the middle. Let's do another. Let's say these are the number of pages in some books that I've read. So I have 41, 43, 33, 36, and 45. And I want to find the median. The first thing I'm going to have to do is put these in order from least to greatest, like I said before. So what I do is I cross it out. You can't do that on the computer, but you could rewrite it on this paper. So I have 33. The next smallest number is 36. Then I have 41. And I have 43. And then I have 45. So I'm going to look in the middle because I have outside, next is 41. So the average number or the median number of pages I would have would be 41. I'm going to show you what to do if you have an even amount of numbers. So let's say I was finding data for this number of cookies eaten, and I have had 6 people, and somebody ate 3, somebody ate 5, somebody ate 6, somebody ate 4, somebody ate 3, somebody ate 2. First step, put them in order from least to greatest. So I have 2, I have 3, I have another 3, I have a 4, I have a 5, and I have a 6. Okay, I have an even number, so I'm going to find my middle number. I have a 2, 6, 3. There's 2 in the middle. So this is what I do when there's 2 in the middle. I take those 2, I add them together, and then I divide by 2. Okay, so if you have an even number, you find the 2 in the middle, you add them together, and you divide by 2. So I have 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5. Plus 3.5 plus 3.5 will be 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the average person, the median person here, ate 3.5 cookies. Now, nobody really ate that amount, but if I was using median to find my average and find my set of data, that's what I would get. So I'd take those 2 numbers, add them together, divide by 2. And you'll see some of that when we do our IXLs today. The second thing that I want to talk about is the range. Your range is your distance from your least to your greatest number. So if these were my numbers, if I had 2, 5, 9, 21, and 7, and I'm trying to find the range, all you do is you take your greatest number, the biggest one on there, which in here would be 21, and you subtract your smallest number, your least, which would be 2. 21 minus 2 equals 19. So my range is 19. That's how many numbers there are between the smallest number and the biggest number. There's 19 between 2 and 21. Let's say I had the numbers 4, 5, 3, and 1, and I'm finding the range. Same thing, I'm going to take my greatest number, which is 5, subtract my smallest number, which is 1, and I get 4. So my range is 4. There's 4 numbers between my smallest and my largest data point. That's the range. That's how big a span you have. Sometimes you get a really big range, sometimes you get a really small range. Like our class sizes range, like I talked about yesterday. So we have 24, 23, 24, 24, and 25. Well, 25 is my largest number. 23 is my smallest number, so 25 minus 23 is 2. There's only a range of 2. There's a difference of 2 kids. There's 2 more kids in the largest class than the smallest class. That's what a range is, the difference. And let's get started on our Excels, and I'll show you exactly what to do. So today we're working on V6 and V7. So the first one is find the median. So that middle number, the median one. First thing to do is I'm going to put them in order. You always have to do this first, from least to greatest. So you're going to have to rewrite. So I'm going to go, 3, 4. You'll have to do this on paper and pencil probably, because you're not screencastify. 5, and there's 2 5s, so I got to use both of them. Can't just do one. 6, 7, I missed it, and 8. Now I'm going to find the middle number. So, outsides, next ones, next one. My middle number is 5, so I'm going to put 5 in there. And submit it. Perfect. Gotta get rid of this so we can actually do another one. Once again, I'm going to put an order from least to greatest. So I have 3, 5, 5, 7, 10. Cross out smallest, cross out the biggest, cross out the next smallest, cross out the next biggest. In the middle I have 5. That's my median number. Let's get rid of it again. We'll skip a level. Okay. This will be the same thing. Put an order from least to greatest, circle the middle one. I'm going to skip until I have an even number of them. That one's not an even number. I'm going to keep skipping. Let's see if it gives you one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Still odd number. But I'll put these in order from least to greatest. I just don't want to take the time to write them out because it's not. So start with my smallest. So I have 34. I look closely. I have 230. Oh, I have a 37. I almost missed that one. And so you gotta look on these closely. Now I have 238s. No more 30s. So now I gotta go to my 40s, and I have 1, 2, 3 40s. Now I have, sorry, I have some in my eyeball too. 1, 2, 3 42s. 2, 42, 42. And now I have a 43 and a 46. So 43 and 46. So now they're in order from least to greatest. I'm going to go through smallest, biggest, next smallest, next biggest, next smallest. And just do this until I get to my middle number. Oh, I have 2 in the middle. They're both 40, so I'd take 40 plus 40, which is 80.
Excuse me, Jody Johnson, please come to the office. Jody Johnson, please come to the office. Thank you.
Yeah, 80 divided by 2. Yeah, which is just 40. So my answer is going to be, if I can click, 40. We'll see if I got it right or if I missed a number in here. I was right. So remember, if you have them in the middle, 2 numbers in the middle, you add them together and divide by 2. Let's try the range, V7. Okay. So remember, you always find the smallest number, which here is 0, and my largest number, which is 10. So what I'm going to do, you can even do this in your head. I'm just going to write it out for now. 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0 equals 10. So that's my range. 10 between my smallest number and my biggest number. This one, same thing. find my smallest number, which is 0. My largest number is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. Let's skip a level. Okay, smallest number here is 14. My largest number is 22. So I will take 22 minus 14. Remember to borrow from the one, regroup if you need to. So 12 minus 4 is 8. And borrow from the 2, so that turns into a 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer is 8. Okay. Skip. And erase this. Okay. So my smallest number over here, I have a 12. My largest number is a 33. Subtract those. Get 21. So my range is 21. Okay, find range. Pretty simple. So today you're doing V6, V7, median, the medium number, the one in the middle. Remember, if there's 2 numbers in the middle, you add them together and divide by 2, and then the range. And that's all you're working on today. And it's Friday, so this is your last math assignment of the week. If you didn't finish the other ones, go back and do them. Otherwise, have a great weekend if I don't see you for reading.